In today's video, I'm going to teach you create or edit artboards. By the end, you'll know how to set up, manage, and export multiple artboards so you can keep related designs neatly organized in a single document. Think of artboards as separate canvases that live inside one file, perfect for creating a full set of deliverables without juggling multiple documents. To begin editing artboards, you have two easy options. You can go to the File menu, choose Document Setup, and click Edit Artboards. Or, for a faster route, switch to the Artboard tool using the shortcut Shift+O. Once the Artboard tool is active, you'll see handles around the selected artboard. Click and drag those handles to resize or drag anywhere inside the bounds to move the entire artboard. As you move or scale, keep an eye on smart guides to help align and space things cleanly. If you need a new artboard, stay on the Artboard tool and simply click and drag to draw one at the exact size you want. This is especially handy when you're laying out a series like business cards, posters, or social media posts, because you can place each variation on its own artboard while keeping everything in one document. When your file includes multiple artboards, managing them is easiest from the Artboards panel. Open it by going to Window and choosing Artboards. Here you can see a list of every artboard in the document. Rename them with clear, descriptive titles so you can tell at a glance which is which. To jump directly to any artboard, just click its name in the list. The canvas will immediately center on that artboard so you can continue working without scrolling. Using artboards to organize multiple designs keeps your workflow tidy and consistent. Each artboard acts like its own space, so you can keep related elements together while still sharing colors, assets, and styles across the same file. This approach is ideal when you're building a cohesive set and want to maintain alignment, spacing, and branding throughout. When you're ready to export, head to File, then Export, and choose Export for Screens. This gives you control over output formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF. You can export every artboard at once, or select only the ones you need. Make sure your artboard names are meaningful. Those names carry through to your exported files, which helps keep your deliverables organized. That's all you need to confidently create, edit, manage, and export